DJI is just hours away from officially unveiling the second-generation Osmo 362, and the timing couldn't be more dramatic. Dropping almost immediately after Insta360's launch of the X6, we are looking at one of the biggest 360-degree camera head-to-head battles of the year. Design and form factor. Don't expect a radical visual redesign. The Osmo 362 keeps the familiar body shape and layout of the original. If the ergonomics work, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. Battery upgrades. FCC documentation points toward a 2,150 mAh battery, roughly a 10% increase in capacity. While increased power will likely be consumed by heavier processing modes, it's a welcome power boost. 8K at 60 frames per second. Stepping up from the original's 8K 50 capability, the Osmo 362 is rumored to introduce 8K recording at 60 frames per second, delivering noticeably smoother motion for fast-moving subjects and action-heavy workflows. Arguably, the most practical improvement addresses the biggest weakness of the original model: user-replaceable lenses. Leaked packaging strongly suggests DJI will finally allow users to swap out scratched or damaged glass modules in the field instead of facing a costly repair or full camera replacement. On top of that, the Osmo 362 is expected to feature NFC technology for faster, smoother device pairing, alongside updated wireless connectivity powered by Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. Current reports suggest DJI will stick with a refined 1/1.1-inch class square sensor approach, meaning the biggest visual leaps will come from optimization, raw photo features, and advanced processing software rather than a completely new sensor chassis. Pricing speculation. Industry estimates place the base price around $499 to $549, with various accessory bundles scaling higher. With the Osmo 362 and Insta360X6 landing within 24 hours of each other, DJI isn't reinventing the wheel. They are fixing critical weaknesses like lens replaceability, battery size, and frame rates to take the fight straight to Insta360. Are you backing DJI's Osmo 362, or does the Insta360X6 still hold the crown? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.